Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to this week's episode of Maconomics. I'm your host, Ross Mac, and I'm here to try to help you get to the bag. We got a new caller calling. Talk to me what you got.
Ross Mac. It's Monet. Okay. Listen, everybody on Facebook has been going viral about life insurance. Listen, I'm only 31, and I got a little something through my job. Do I really need to give me some life insurance right now? Help me out.
Man, great question. You asking all the right questions, right? Because at the end of the day, right, we all want to live forever, but unfortunately that's not going to be the case. And for that reason, the decision to actually get life insurance should be a real serious consideration, right, for every household. But then you got to ask yourself the question, do you actually need it, right? And I think the best way to answer that question is with another question. Would your death cause any financial burdens to anybody in your life that actually depend on you? So think of it like this, right? If you was just to die unexpectedly, would you leave anybody in your life on the hook for any bills, funeral costs, or any other debt, right? And if the answer is yes, then yes, you should have life insurance. The next thing you got to ask yourself is like, okay, what actually impacts the cost of your life insurance, right? You got a few factors, right? You got your age, your gender, your health history, if you're a smoker or not, what are your hobbies as well as what your occupation is, and additionally, what is the actual policy, right? Whether it's term or whole life. Look, because at the end of the day, one of the main goals of life insurance is to put your family at ease by making up for a loss of the household income. Therefore, a general rule of thumb to determine just how much life insurance you should actually have is to multiply your yearly income by either 10 to 12 times. So think of it like this, right? Here's an example. If you make about $50,000 a year, you're probably gonna need roughly $500,000 to $600,000 in coverage. So if you're actually getting it from your job, you should actually look at it and really see exactly how much it is, because on average, what a job is willing to give you is roughly 1 to 2 times what your annual salary is. So yes, you're probably gonna need more life insurance. But man, really good question, man. I really hope that helps. Next caller, talk to me what you got. Look, it's easy to get caught up in the grind of trying to make ends meet, buying your first car, saving up for a house, raising a family. It can be a lot to handle. Luckily, you got a good neighbor that can help. A State Farm agent right in your neighborhood can help make sure you have all the information you need to make the informed decisions about protecting the financial future of your family. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.